After I finished Scrimmage, I had my first transaction. My name is Pablo Domingo, 20 years old. I'm a real estate agent who services the Riverside area, and I joined Power July 2025. Okay, so my first 90 days at Power have been awesome. Like, I got here having no idea how real estate works. For a month, especially Scrimmage. Scrimmage really kind of got me going. After I finished Scrimmage, I had my first transaction, and that was less than 90 days. And then after that one transaction, I opened up like two more, and that's how my 90 days have been with the amount of help we have here at Power. It's just insane. Oh, Scrimmage, basically, you learn how our systems work. They just have everything here at Power. They have everything figured out. Like, they have it like how you could be successful in real estate. They have it like, that's basically what Scrimmage is about. They teach you the systems. Some things I remember learning is the contracts. That really helped us. They taught, like, joining Scrimmage, learning the contract. When it came time to write my first contract, it was easy. Oh yeah, the templates, literally right now when I write an offer, I just go in there, just type in whatever's needed. I remember my first contract, it took me like 20 minutes because that was my first one. And then right now I can write up an offer in like 5-10 minutes. That's how easy Power makes it for us. For a month, I just did Scrimmage, had no idea of how real estate was. And then after a month, I got my first deal with Bailey. And then since that deal, I went over to the Riverside office, got like my first ever deal, and I was able to close it thanks to Sylvia with her guidance on that one. Oh yeah, the trainings, the role plays, they have a lot of people here that help you. You have a question that maybe someone can't answer, you have like 20 other people you can go ask to at any time. They're always there for you. Oh yeah, right now I'm working with Sylvia. Ever since I went to the Riverside office and I started working with Sylvia on all my deals, it's just been so insane. She keeps me accountable. If I have a question, I've even texted her like late and she's always responded. And that's something I love, so I'm not stuck when I need help. Yeah. Okay, so I'm 5 months in. I closed my fourth one on the 28th last year. And right now I have one in escrow that I should be closing next Tuesday. And I am working with 3 clients right now. And I'm sending out on offer today for a new construction for another client. So I should be opening that one up as well.